Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension skills as I speak. Are you ready? Today we're going to talk about a trip to the zoo. Last Sunday, my family and I visited the zoo. It was a beautiful day, and we were all excited to see the animals. We packed some snacks and drinks and drove to the zoo in the morning. When we arrived at the zoo, we bought our tickets and grabbed a map. The zoo was very large, with many different areas to explore. We decided to start with the African Savannah exhibit. This area had many animals from Africa, like lions, zebras, and giraffes. The lions were resting in the shade, while the zebras and giraffes were grazing on the grass. It was amazing to see these animals up close. Next, we visited the Monkey Island. This was my sister's favorite part of the zoo. There were many different kinds of monkeys, swinging from the trees and playing with each other. We saw chimpanzees, orangutans, and even some tiny marmosets. The monkeys were very active and fun to watch. They made us laugh with their playful antics. After that, we went to the reptile house. This area was full of snakes, lizards, and turtles. My dad loves reptiles, so he was very excited to see them. We saw a huge python, colorful chameleons, and even some alligators. The reptiles were fascinating to look at, but some of them were a bit scary. For lunch, we stopped at a picnic area and ate the sandwiches and fruit we had brought with us. While we were eating, we could hear the sounds of the animals in the background. It was a nice and relaxing break before continuing our adventure. In the afternoon, we visited the bird aviary. This was a large, open area where many different kinds of birds could fly freely. We saw parrots, flamingos, and peacocks. The parrots were very colorful and could talk a little. The flamingos were standing on one leg, and the peacocks had beautiful, colorful feathers. We took many pictures of the birds. After the bird aviary, we went to see the aquarium. This part of the zoo had many tanks filled with fish, sharks, and other sea creatures. We saw clownfish like the one from the movie Finding Nemo, and many other colorful fish. The sharks were very impressive, swimming slowly in their large tank. We also saw some jellyfish and sea turtles. The aquarium was a cool and quiet place, and we enjoyed watching the fish swim around. Before leaving, we stopped at the petting zoo. This area had farm animals like goats, sheep, and rabbits. We could feed and pet the animals. My sister loved feeding the goats, and I enjoyed petting the rabbits. The animals were very friendly and loved the attention. As the day came to an end, we visited the gift shop. We bought some souvenirs to remember our trip. My sister chose a stuffed monkey, and I got a t-shirt with a lion on it. My parents bought a book about the animals we had seen. We had a wonderful day at the zoo. It was fun to see all the different animals and learn about them. Spending time with my family and exploring the zoo was a great experience. We were all tired but happy as we drove back home. I hope you enjoyed this story about a trip to the zoo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more English listening practice videos. See you next time.